cooking at home with Jerome's Appliance Gallery. Welcome to the Fulgur Milano kitchen at Jerome's. Let's create a great meal together.
Hi, I'm Chef Erica, and today we're gonna do easy carbonara. I know that a lot of people feel like carbonara is a very complex dish, but today you will learn to do a very simple recipe that anyone can cook. My water is boiling in here, so we're gonna start cooking our spaghetti. Just 2 big pinches of salt, and we're gonna add our spaghetti. While our spaghetti is cooking, I'm just gonna start cutting our garlic. Just one tip, always use your knife. So you smash in here, so it's easy to peel. And then we're gonna use all our blade just to cut it very nice and fine. Once that you have your garlic cut, then I'm gonna cut the guanciale, which is like an Italian bacon. And then we will cut in a thick slices and make some dice. Doesn't have to be very, very small. So what I like about this recipe is if you don't have guanciale or you don't find pancetta, you can use just thick bacon. That's okay. So the fat of the bacon, it will help to have the crunchiness. And I have my pan here, have medium-high heat. And we're gonna add a little bit of oil. What you want is a very high heat temperature, so your pancetta or your guanciale starts sizzling. We'll try to stir our pasta once in a while, and we're gonna boil this 8 to 8 minutes, depends on the brand of your spaghetti. But just make sure to leave your pasta al dente. I think our pan is ready. We're gonna add our garlic first. When your pan is high heat, you add your garlic, and then we add our guanciale, and then we have to start refrying this for a couple minutes until it gets very nice and crispy. So I already drained my spaghetti, and always remember to keep some of the water for our mix. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do the mix so everyone can do an easy carbonara. So I will add my egg yolks. So it's gonna be a very creamy sauce. And we're gonna crack 2 eggs. We're gonna add pecorino cheese, parmigiano, and Reggiano. We mix it and add a little bit of the water. So what happens is the water will temper our eggs. And all the cheeses, they're gonna make easy to emulsify so it doesn't scramble. So you want to keep all the fat from the guanciale, and then we're gonna add our pasta in here. And then you're gonna add your egg mix. So always try to mix, mix, mix. So you have a very nice consistency, and add just a little bit of the water. Just try to don't go into your heat very high. And then we add the rest of the our sauce. And just remember to always keep moving so our sauce gets nice and creamy. Don't forget to always add more of your pasta water if it's necessary. You see how creamy it is? And we are almost ready to plating. So our pasta is ready and we're gonna plating. So I have my results in here. What I like about pasta is you can play a little bit and make it nicer. And then we're gonna add a little bit of the parsley just to give some color. Some pepper. And we're gonna finish with some Parmesan on the top. What I like about carbonara is most of the time you have the ingredients in your fridge. If you don't have the 3 cheeses, don't worry, just stick into the Parmesan. If you don't have your Italian fancy bacon, you can use just your regular bacon. And for storage, if you have leftover, just put it in a container and take it tomorrow to your work.
Thank you for cooking at home with Jerome's Appliance Gallery. See this 48-inch Fulgur Milano induction range in action. Visit our showroom for a live demo. Find trusted brands, recipes, or read Elevated Entertaining, our free digital magazine, at jeromesappliancegalleryinc.ca. At Jerome's, we put the trust back in appliance shopping.